Oh, no. Hi, mga katropa. Ito na ang handa namin. At meron ako sa inyong bisita.
Can you speak in English?
So, we have a guest. All of them speaks English. And they're telling me to speak English,
Just
okay?
those two. I can speak Tagalog if I wanna, I just never wanna.
Okay.
Ang aga-aga baka siyansihin ko yung gilagid mo dyan.
Okay,
Never won.
let's move these drinks on the other side. So we're doing a mukbang edition. So nung Christmas, nung New Year's Eve, nagpa-games kami pero hindi pa namin na-upload. So we invite Crystal's friends to eat balut. So who won? This child right here won by how many? Sa susunod na video, just wait for the next video.
Oh!
Hey! Kinalikutsinan dutang kanyang eng-eng.
Well, you cut it out or bleep it.
Yeah. So we'll introduce to you and then you just introduce yourself.
This is Hannah!
And how about you? Carolee.
Kiwi!
Kiwi is our best helper today. So thanks to Kiwi for helping cook everything. She helped me with everything, and then Crystal do all this decoration. While me and Kiwi's at work, so we just like to thank both of this. So kids. Now, we can start eating. So while we're eating, guys, you can eat.
Oh.
You can eat now. So, diba? There's like this very sad situation. So while we're eating,
Make sure to follow the conversation.
So our little Hannah here doesn't know how to eat shrimp with skin.
Yeah. And tentacles.
And tentacles and everything. So yeah.
You rip this part out, right? And then you suck the juices out of the head.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this, and you can just so yumminess.
These parts out. And then
Wow.
you crack it and somehow you get the skin off. You like get the skin off.
So this lobster right here, it's so good. You hear that? You hear that sound?
It's the doggo!
No, this.
Oh, that sounds good.
So you just like
Mom's ripping apart the lobster.
Yep, that's just how you eat it. So you get it from the bottom. You want me to take that, and this you can have this.
I gotta figure it out. Like that?
Lobster, and then you dip it here. So these two girls here, ito si Crystal and Carolee are both 16 years old. Oh, both si Hannah are both 16 years old. They're friends ng matagal na. And she told me he's making
Under the table.
making some noise. So anyway, so you're here. So, since we have this nangyari sa medyo yung topic is ano nangyayari kay
English.
Christine.
Problems.
The-
Christine.
These kids are not really aware of it, but I'm just gonna give them a brief background about it.
There's a problem in the Philippines that she's going to talk about, and we're going to discuss with her. It's about drugs. I'm translator of the night.
Paano masabi? Baliw ka yata eh.
Wow. This is seriously.
You're like, don't get it in there.
Dahan-dahan ka, baka mabilaukan ka ha.
How does that taste?
That crab has a face.
Wow.
Sure. Will you teach me?
So you just
Eat all of them?
crack it like this in the side. Okay. No, do the scissors so you're not hurting yourself.
Ow.
Okay.
Not going so.
So yung aming i-discuss is just pawang ano lang ha.
Doesn't matter.
Pawang opinion. It's just our opinion, you know. We don't want to hurt anybody's feelings or
No hard feelings, bro.
you know. We're just discussing it. It's really sad. So I'm gonna tell you the story with these two kids. So these kids are in high school, sophomore, right?
And then you
So they are very aware of what's going on in their school, you know. So drugs is also, you know, they're aware of that it exists. They're not like
It's not that bad in our school, but
they're not but
Benton.
so
Just call people out on the YouTube channel.
did she say something?
Yeah, she chose a school and decided to.
I chose a random school.
No, you can't do that.
Sorry. Oopies.
So anyway,
You're gonna get canceled, Phoebe.
I don't have a YouTube channel. I can't get canceled.
my YouTube channel. So ito maganda.
Oh my god.
Sarap. So anyway,
This is so good.
This shrimp is really good.
Stop, let's go.
anyways,
Sometimes
So,
you can just like this shrimp's out.
nakakalungkot yung nangyari na yan eh, no? It's really, really sad. Napakalinamnam talaga nito. Pero,
I want the crab.
nakikita natin yung frustration
I might know what I'm doing.
ng isang ina na nawala ng anak, which I totally understand that. Mahirap mawala ng anak, magpalibing. Pinakamasakit na mangyari sa isang ina. You can cut it like this, Kiwi.
I
So,
know what
look,
I'm doing.
ito, guys, oh. You cut it like this.
Oh, you cut it. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I don't use this thing.
So you cut it like that with a scissor. Open it big, okay? And then open it wide like that. And there is the yumminess overload. Woohoo! Boom.
Mine.
There you go. There you have it. So there's more laman. Ayan. Ang laman yan. Sarap. Sarap,
So
anak.
good.
It is. So
Everything here is good. I don't know what you're talking about. If it's bad, you have a problem.
how about you, Hannah? What are you doing there? Are you surviving?
I actually
really love it. It's delicious.
Nagbibiro lang ako.
Really?
I'm teaching Hannah.
Okay. Hannah is, I think, that very open with the seafood feast here. Everything here have eyes. And she's not really familiar. American doesn't eat food with
Eyeballs.
testicles or eyeballs or anything like that.
No,
So I'm getting some of this
or baby ducks.
or baby ducks. Mm.
If you've had a baby duck, I think you can handle this. I've had all of this before.
But anyway, hindi na tayo makapagkwentuhan.
English.
We can't really talk anything anymore about this case. But I wanted to maglagay ng disclaimer sa aking topic. Ayokong ma-question tayo or ayoko rin mag-aro ng mga bashers, but sa mundo na ginagalawa natin is very, very open na sa media, social media. So, nawawala na rin yung ating mga culture. Yeah? So, people are what you call Americanized. So, I don't know kung pag sinabi nilang Americanized is more liberated or more open sa mga bagay-bagay, okay? Kasi nung mga panahon ko, ang alam ko lang na lalaroin is mga panglabas. Okay? It's so good. This is very good. How do you like it?
I like it.
Really good. Are you guys done? That's all you can handle?
No. I have to take small breaks so I can eat more. Eating more shit.
Ako kasi pagdating sa drugs, I don't have any tolerance. So, Cristel, itong anak ko walang script yan. Tatanungin natin yan siya. Kung ano opinion ko pagdating sa, kung anong pinagbabawal ko lang sa kanila. I'm very, very easygoing mom. I'm a cool mom.
Gusto nyo pulbusin ko dibdib nyo?
But there's only two things that I told them.
You're a cool mom because you cook the best food.
That's true. So Cristel and Carolee,
What?
is both two kids of mine that I raised.
What?
What is mommy's rule?
For what?
Like just her rules that I always tell you. If you get involved with drugs and you go to jail.
Oh, she ain't bailing us out.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, do whatever drugs you want, but she's not gonna bail you out, bail us out if we get caught. What if I get put in a mental facility? Oh, look at me, I'm a professional.
I know. So yun ang sinasabi ko sa kanila. We talk about drugs, right? We discuss it. We're very open in our household about it. That, we don't hide anything from them. And it exists. You just have to pick a right crowd for yourself. Na hindi ka dyan. So I always tell them that they have a choice. Kasi once our kids are older, we don't have any power with them. We cannot tell them what to do. They will hang out with the people they wanted to hang out with.
That's pretty bold of you.
Yeah.
And hindi mo sila mababawal kung sino, ang panalangin na lang is magkaroon sila ng maayos na desisyon para sa mga sarili nila. Okay? So, sabi ko sa kanila, I'm full.
Mom!
I'm getting full. So, hindi ako kumain maghapon. And ito naman. Okay?
Whoa, you're opening
I
the
think
big one.
mauubos namin ito lahat. Ooh, look at that.
Oh, that looks so good.
Steaming.
Is that eggs?
Yes, that's eggs. That's caviar. No.
Really?
That's egg though.
Cool. Eat it. I think I've had enough eggs. Shout out to the Balloon Radio. I've had enough eggs to last a lifetime.
Yep. So we get all this crap under. So we're done. Here.
Okay. There's no.
Wow.
There's no meat.
There.
You just had me break open the face for no reason.
So you. It's
That's questionable.
no. It is. It's crab.
I like crab.
No, it's what?
I'm being terrorized.
No.
You're welcome, Michelle.
So good.
Oh, I got my pants, Carolee. You're welcome.
Oh. This is very, very delicious. Pero ang point natin ngayon is, sana lumabas na yung totoo kay Christine, sa buhay ni Christine, kung anong man nangyari. Pero hindi natin yung situation ay napakahirap, no? Minsan nakakapag-decide tayo na ganun lang. Makulong lang itong mga to, pero
The eggs are actually good. You just swallow them like a pill. I mean, like
Actually.
60 pills. They're so small.
Yeah.
Ako may sarili mundo, sila rin may sarili mundo. Alam mo na, nabubusog na ako, ha?
Oh, not a good thing to say. And have eggs all over your
How are you
hands.
doing there, Hannah? How's the eggs?
They're great.
How does it taste? Is it like really...
I couldn't taste
No,
them.
I actually really like seafood.
Yeah, you do? Okay. Then,
You sounded excited when I called
yeah.
you.
Yeah.
Okay. Gosh, I didn't know that these kids can eat like crazy.
I didn't eat anything today.
Wow.
I did.
This crab is different.
I don't want to it.
Okay.
Open.
Listen, I'm not really a big fan of this.
It
I
won't
think we're
cut.
wasting a lot
I got
of...
on the softer side.
Bigger.
We're seriously wasting a lot of laman. Guys, I
I
realized one thing.
What?
You know what? You want to know what?
What?
I cannot handle this kind of food.
Does that mean no Taco Bell mukbang?
Nah.
That's what I wanted.
Seriously?
Yeah, buy the whole menu. It's only like $200.
Yeah. Okay. We can do that.
Next episode, nacho fries.
No.
Bruh.
Mukbang Taco Bell.
Oh.
We'll bring the boys because there will be a lot more food.
Tsaka na natin pag-usapan si Christine, guys. Tayo na lang. Kasi itong mga batang to. Pero itong mga batang to is very aware sa pagdating sa akin. Sa ganyan. Talagang wala talaga akong ano sa kanila. Bahala kayo sa buhay mo pagka nakulong
The
kayo.
problem is you're not speaking in English. That's why we can't talk about it.
It's okay. We're just gonna focus on this because Kayla is really having so much fun.
That's actually pretty sad. Good job.
Oh,
Look how big that is.
so
Like,
yeah, like crack it and then you can just break it really. I was just.
these kids are wasting this.
No,
I'm not. We're healthy.
Look,
This is not. Oh.
You guys are going to clean up, okay?
No, I'm not.
Yes, ma'am.
Bruh.
Why are you just putting the things
I'm
in?
just setting it in
Oh,
the general
jeez.
direction.
Seriously, I didn't really eat some. I only have 2 bites of the shrimp. I think Hannah ate all the shrimp.
Me and Hannah.
It was all over there.
Yeah, you guys just like,
I ate all the lobster, and I'm proud about it. You know, it was good, and I stole it.
how was it, Hannah? Tell me about your experience with this mukbang thingy.
It was delicious, but different than anything I've ever had before.
Really? Have you never had shrimp?
No, I've had shrimp, just not like that.
Oh.
Yeah, we had shrimp at your house, and then we had shrimp at my grandma's house
But
on
they
New Year's,
weren't the
but they were
same.
completely different kinds of shrimp.
The shrimp that you guys eat in America are just clean. Very clean. No
Well, we just
skin,
had
no head,
barbecued shrimp.
nothing. No
head,
skin,
The
nothing.
tails.
Yep. So
You got the tail and everything.
now you experienced it, everything of
Oh,
of it.
God.
So what can you say about it? Huh? Yeah.
The heads are really fun to rip off.
What?
That's a
kind
little
of
bit serial killery of you.
Okay. Look at those meat that we got from that mukbang.
The schmeats.
Okay. What's wrong with you people?
Are you in an anime movie?
Okay, can you get me some
Hindi.
ziploc?
Hindi po.
Can you get me some
Hindi
ziploc?
po.
Ayoko.
Hindi po.
Ayoko.
What if I put this on?
Don't.
I still love my vegetables. My pepper.
There's meat in here.
So I think ang nagustuhan lang talaga nila. Christelle, what do you like about this whole entire thing experience?
Lobster.
No, I mean like how
Oh,
do you
I
like
thought
it?
you were.
So you like the lobster. I know that because
I
you
thought we
eat
were
like 10
saying
of
your
them.
favorite food.
Yep, I know you eat 10 of them. So what do you like about it?
I don't know. I liked opening the lobster
I think the lobster is pretty good. I think
and
that
consuming the lobster.
so we have 2 different kinds of meat that we
And then
made.
peeling
So
the shrimp.
one is buttered shrimp and then buttered shrimp and lobster, and then we just this one that's pre-made. We already boiled it with some seasonings and some lemons. We just make it so good. So yeah. Okay guys, So mga katropa, ayan ang aming mukbang session. And nakita nyo, marami kami natira na meat. Ang dami pa dito. Ang gusto lang talaga nila is buksan, yung experience na magbuksan. Lahat kami bago kami dito eh. So ito, pag tinitingnan ko nakain nila doon sa mga pinapanood kong video, parang ang sarap. Pero nakakasawa siya talaga, parang nakakaumay. So I have my fajita chicken. So I've been eating the fajita chicken because there's a lot of flavor in it. Just para mawala yung taste. But anyway, so that's our session for today. And our mukbang session for today. And I hope you guys like it. And I would like to thank my guest, my special guest.
I am special guest.
For making this happen. And thank you for my 1,000 subscribers, guys. 1,000 subscribers na.
1K!
1K, thank you. Thanks sa mga support nyo. Sa susunod ulit, magmumukbang tayo. Pero gusto nila yung Taco Bell mukbang. Yung like, we were gonna order everything in the menu sa Taco Bell and then watch out niyan kung paano kumain. Siguro hindi na ako sasali. Sila na lang mga bata. And then I'll just feature them. Ganon na lang. Pero anyway, can you get me a Ziploc bag? So, if you haven't subscribed in my YouTube channel, huwag po kayong makalimot na i-subscribe ang Christina TV at 40. And sa mga nag-subscribe na po, thank you so much. And also, if you like this video, please like and share it with your friends. And then if you want mas malaki anak. And if you want mga topics na gusto nyo gawin, just kung meron po kayo mga gustong gawin o namin, just let us know and then we are more than happy to do it for you. So ito yung napakadali dahil pwede natin save yung mga to. Okay? And ipang ulam o pang sahog sa iba't iba pang klase ng pagkain sa future. But anyway, that's all for tonight. And thank you so much. Thank you all for everything. And I hope that you enjoy our mukbang session, seafood mukbang session na napakasarap na nakakaumay din. And that's all. Say goodbye, guys.
Bye!
Okay.